Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making just a super simple recipe that we have enjoyed through the years. It's fairly inexpensive and it is so easy to whip up. Now the first thing I did before I started anything is I got my little rice cooker back there and made me some rice. This is going to be Limpin Susan. I know that's a crazy name, but I think she was Hoppin' John's Hoppin' John's wife.
Hoppin' yes. John and Limpin Susan?
Yes, right.
Well, they make a good pair.
They will make a good pair, that is correct. But we never realized this was called Limpin Susan until many years, maybe only a few years ago. We always called it okra rice or okra perlo. So, and y'all know in the Lowcountry, honey, we love us some Perlo. No matter what you put in some rice, it's the Perlo. So, I'm going to show you our easy little Limpin Susan recipe. Very simple, like I said. I've got some bell pepper and onion. Y'all know I didn't let my little chopper do it all. Some bell pepper and onion in there, some bacon, some okra, and some rice. It does not get any easier than this. So let's start cooking this bacon and getting it all crispy and ready for this recipe. Well, not so fast. I was going to show you if you never have cooked with okra. It comes with the little ends on it. And we just snip this little end off, both little ends. And we just give this a little cut just like this. And I've got about 2 cups of okra there. So
it's good, y'all.
It is so good. Man. I love okra anyway.
Okra's one of my favorite things.
I was just eating okra raw, so I like it pickled. I like it raw.
It's good.
I'm like Forrest Gump with shrimp.
Yeah,
I like it.
Okra's fantastic.
Yes, whole, cut, boiled, fried, pickled, any kind of way. But anyway, now let's get that bacon going.
All right.
All right, we'll get this pan going here with our bacon. It's not screaming hot, but it's.
She's waking up.
She's waking up. She's getting there. That's right. I guess I should have picked this up with a fork or something, but Russ just reminded we country. It don't matter.
Yeah, we ain't perfect. We cooking.
I do wash my hands
cooking
all
in our
the
kitchen,
time.
y'all. This is, this
I wash
is our
my
country
hands.
kitchen. This is what we do.
This is what we do, and this is what most people do. I ain't trying to be something I ain't. Just gonna give it a little move around in the pan. Scoot over so I put some more in there. Yummy, yummy. For this dish to be so simple, it is so good. Just scooting him over just a little bit. My hands are steel. I am using a spoon though.
Hands of steel.
Hands of steel, y'all.
You got them, y'all. I'm telling you. I ain't never seen nothing like it.
That's what they tell me anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wash my hands, put the rest of this bacon up, because let's see, we use about 7 slices, but whatever you want to use, you can use the whole pack, honey, if you want to, or just a couple slices. So we're going to just cook this crispy, and I'm going to save that bacon grease that's in there, honey, because we're going to saute these vegetables in it. It's going to be delicious. Got that bacon nice and crispy. You want it to be real crispy. I'm just going to put some of these onions and bell peppers in this bacon grease. Yummy, yummy. We'll keep that bacon grease in there, honey. That's your flavor. That's your little goodness right there. And if you got too much, my bacon didn't have a whole lot of fat in it. If you have too much, I'm just going to use all that, I guess. Seems like a lot, but I love me some peppers and onions. But if you have too much bacon grease, you can drain it off, because I'm telling you, when we add this to the rice, sometimes you have to add a little more bacon grease to it to moisten it up just a little bit. So I'm just going to cook this and let it get a little tender, because that takes longer than this okra. This okra does not take too long to cook at all. So I'm going to season with a little salt and pepper. Actually, I think I'm going to just use some Crazy Jane's. That's got salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder already in it. It's like a one-stop shop there.
Love that stuff.
It is so good.
Y'all, go on Amazon and get you some of that.
Yeah.
I'll link it in the description.
Yeah, they don't.
It's hard to find.
It is in our grocery stores around here, but
we use it all the time.
We do. It's so good, honey. Just on a piece of, even just sliced tomato, fresh tomato, sprinkle a little, honey. It's just delicious. All right, I think I'm going to go ahead and add my little okra in here. Go ahead and get that going. Look how bright and colorful that is. Really good and colorful. And we're just going to let that cook down until it's all tender. It's not going to take too long. I might give it another little sprinkle, because I seasoned the other stuff. We want everything seasoned, right?
Absolutely.
We want it all seasoned good. I'm just going to slide this around in the pan. Got my little bacon here. I'm going to just crisp up before we, that's the last step, the little bacon into the rice. I'm just going to let this cook for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. All right, y'all. Okra's looking good. Look at there. It's nice and tender. Now, I'm just going to start adding this rice in here. So good. Like I said, if you need a little more bacon grease, honey, to moisten it up a little bit, you just do it. Now remember, we're going to be adding bacon in there too.
It smells good.
It does smell good, don't it? Alright. Now I clearly measured with my heart there, but I'd say about 3 cups of rice. Looky. Fold that in real good. Now, the cherry on top. We're going to throw us some bacon in here. And I'm just going to crumble her up. Just a little pieces. Yummy. Just ripping it up. All that goodness. You don't want it to burn, do you?
No, we do not.
This way you want it really crispy, the bacon. So just tear it in little pieces. And also, that's, you just do as much. If you like a lot of bacon, cook a lot more bacon, honey. You just get it in there.
Oh, it smells delicious.
Oh, don't it smell good? Like the onions and bacon cooking, I'm telling you.
Ain't no better smell than that.
I got to get this to turning. Turning. So good. Now some people add shrimp to it too.
Oh, I bet that's good too. Yeah.
Some people do. But now y'all know I did my version kind of like this in my shrimp perlo. This is a lot like it. All right, y'all. That's all there is to it. It is ready to go.
I can't wait to get into some of that, y'all.
So easy. Didn't take long at all. Wash my hands.
We're going to dig in.
Yes,
my turn.
Dig in. Your turn. All right. All right, y'all. It is tasting time. Got this.
My favorite time.
His favorite time. And we got this little goodie for him.
Yeah.
And this is one he can get really excited about.
I love it, y'all. I'm telling you. I love okra. It's one of my favorite things to eat.
And rice.
And rice and bacon
And
onions and peppers and I love everything in this.
All the good things.
All of it.
So go ahead, dig on
I'm
in
ready.
there.
I'm ready. Got to get a little bit of everything.
Smells good in here too.
It really does. Ooh, I know I say it don't get no better, but really, I mean it from the heart.
That's what's up.
That's what's up right there.
Yeah. Yes, yes. And y'all, I was joking when I was talking about the Limpin Susan with Hoppin' John. My sisters was like, well, you know, that is the legend that was either his wife or his mistress.
Yeah, she was in there reading all about it. I'm like, what?
Legend was, old Limpin Susan may have been the mistress and his wife got a hold of him. Thus the limp. So.
Yeah. They ain't gonna win no race.
Neither one of them, Hoppin'
John or Limpin Susan, you know. But hey, they can cook. I give them that because both of them's good. I love both of them.
Both dishes are good.
Yeah.
And this dish supposedly originated down in my neck of the woods too, near Charleston, Gullah. Island where the Gullah people are.
Yep.
This is one of their dishes that they eat for Christmas. But we have ate it for years. My sister also reminded me. She said, you remember that used to be on the buffet? We had a Longhorn steakhouse, but it's not like the one we have now.
Yeah, it was way before.
A buffet.
Yeah, it was way before Longhorn Steakhouse chains came out.
It was a buffet, and they always had this on the buffet there in Walterboro. So all my little Walterboro people, y'all, you may remember this one. But it's good. We've ate it in our household, and it is just delicious.
It's fantastic.
Yeah. Bite number 2. He was anxiously.
It don't get no better. I'm telling you. I've been waiting. Yeah.
But it didn't take but a few minutes.
No, it was quick, and it's delicious, y'all.
It really didn't take but a few minutes. So this is a perfect little side or whatever. I can eat this just as.
Yeah, you have that just.
As
That's a meal. That's a meal for me.
For me, it is.
Me too. Me too. That's,
but perfect little dish on the side. Like I said, you can put shrimp in this, and we do make our shrimp perlo like this. If y'all go look back at my video, shrimp
I'll link
perlo.
it in the description as well.
Shrimp
it's an
perlo.
older one, y'all. So be a little patient with it.
It is.
We was learning videos back then, and you'll see the difference. You'll see how far we've come in our videos. I think. But that's a good recipe. It really is.
For some of the new ones that may not have seen it. But yeah, my shrimp perlo does not have okra in it. But it is delicious.
Yeah, very good.
It is delicious. But anyway, I hope y'all try this. And if you do, y'all know I like to hear back from you.
Yeah, love the comments.
Love it, love it. But anyway, y'all, until next time.